Whether you realize it or not, anger is your friend. No, it's not the cheery, let's go have a beer kind of friend. Anger is your friend who's going to tell you straight to your face that you look like crap when you do. And they're going to tell you straight to your face that you're being obnoxious because you've been hanging out with that cheery beer drinking friend too much. So once you realize that anger is your friend, you can start to befriend it and you can use it to your advantage. It can steer you out of harm's way, just like that matter of fact friend will. However, in order to befriend your anger, you first have to establish some firm boundaries with it, just as you would with that blunt friend, because otherwise what's going to happen is that your well-meaning friend is going to become aggressive and it's going to start overstepping or bulldozing right over your wants and needs. So today we're going to talk about establishing those boundaries so that you can extend an olive branch to your anger, if you will. And we're going to do that by recognizing what our anger is trying to tell us. We're going to discuss two common reactions that most of us have when we feel anger. We're going to talk about some of the harmful effects of not using anger to our advantage. And we're going to then discuss a few mindfulness techniques that you can use to control your anger. Alright, so first, what is our anger trying to tell us? Well, you can think of anger as your check engine light on your car. So basically, it's trying to alert you to the fact that something's not quite right. It's trying to tell you that there's a problem so that you can identify it and get it fixed before it causes too much damage. And of course, just like your check engine light, you're probably going to ignore the signs at first. You're probably going to try to ignore your anger and hope it goes away. But sure enough, it's going to keep coming back on, just like that check engine light. Your anger is going to keep showing up whenever you're in that not quite right situation or you're in a similar situation until you decide to face your anger and use it to your advantage. Now, what kind of problems is our anger trying to alert us to?